All right, Pepper Besties, the goodies are here from liferxmd. Some of y'all have been asking me to do an updated unboxing. So here we are. So let's see what we got, y'all. Y'all ready? All right, so here she goes. This is what comes in the box. Oh, and I had it upside down, but this is where you open it at, right here. All right. Boom. Ice. Ice, ice, baby. Ooh. Ooh la la. Another ice pack. So it comes with 2 ice packs. Well, I did my questionnaire. It got approved in the same day. I got another email let me know that it had shipped. So easy peasy. It's like clockwork, y'all. Stress and hassle free. Comes in bubble wrap. There we go. So I was telling y'all in the previous update, and I promised that I would give y'all an update as to me going back into maintenance. So I had reached goal, ended up gaining some back, ended up right back on my journey. It wasn't a whole lot or anything like that, but I am back at goal and am officially in maintenance. So let's see. This is how my Tirzepatide is coming. This is prescription, so for everybody it's different. Okay, you have to go by whatever your instructions are. This is how we're beginning the maintenance process. So for my provider, okay, so I am to increase only as needed, which I doubt. I have not been losing anything else, y'all. Okay, I have not been losing anything additional. I've been staying between 108 and 110, you know, which is normal to toggle a little bit. Your weight will kind of go up and down slightly, so that's normal. Okay, water weight, what you're eating, there's a lot of different factors that contribute to that. So this is her. Okay, just real quick, just a little flash. I still have niacinamide in mine. Okay. Okay. Still got niacinamide, which is, do you see how my skin just be skinning? Eczema been cleared up. Skin just glowing, y'all. Niacinamide is the bee's knees. These are insulin syringes. And then we also have alcohol pads. This has to go in the fridge. So as soon as you get it, you don't want it sitting outside forever. So make sure that you are home. Make sure you are home in a timely manner to get it and store it in the fridge, okay? What you see is what you get, you heard me? So yeah, hassle-free. Y'all give it a try. You can use my code CHIC for some coins off. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions, okay? All right, I love y'all, Pepper Besties. Happy losing. Bye-bye.